Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you are returning, then welcome back. Today's look is the Metgala look from Emma Chamberlain. I'm going to start with this Sephora I Love palette, and basically we're going to build up dark brown on this side, and then we're going to swipe it across the lid like here, and then we're going to fill in this circle with a gold color, and then we're going to add on our lime at the end. So to start, we'll just start building with this medium brown color and using a fluffy brush. And the reason I haven't put foundation on yet is because this should get pretty messy. So we're using this color right here, which is just kind of a tan. If you have a bronzing color like Blunt, then that would work perfectly. And we're just going to build up on either side of the eye. So the next color I'm using is a tad darker and more in the neutral shades, and I'm going to build up this crease and basically everywhere I put the color just now. Now it seems as though they're here to stay. So this is our next darkest color. It's a very dark neutral brown. I don't know if this is a black or if it's like a really dark gray. We're also going to put that on the lower lash. So now we'll go back in with that medium brown color. This one. We are going to add that to the lower lash as well. This time we'll go all the way into the inner corner. We'll go back in with this brush and blend out the black just so it's not so harsh. Gold. Okay, let me just see how this looks. This is from the same I Love palette. Just try it dry. So remember, it's this darker gold. It's kind of a bronze. Yeah, I think that works. I think what I want to do is take this Essence nude color. I'm not going to touch the eyelash. I'm going to go kind of above it. And then the inner corner, just like a V on the inner corner. I'm going to try this bamboo color. So I have some Fix spray here, just a sample, and I'm going to spray my brush. So my brush is wet. Then I'm going to dip it into the Wasabi color, which is this bright green. Do this with just my liquid eyeliner, so I'm just gonna try my liquid eyeliner. If you have a black pencil, that's preferable, but basically we're gonna add a black on the entire inner rim of the eye, and also we're gonna do the top, just a very small line above below this neon color. Now we're gonna do mascara and eyelashes. Maybe I'll just do that off camera and come back. And we're back. I'm actually not gonna put on eyelashes because I think the ones I have are going to cover the liner. I'm gonna try to mix blue in with this fountain blue. So let's go into concealer foundation, and then we'll fill in my eyebrows. I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs. I think it's the closest in tone. And just very softly, I'm pressing like super lightly. This is just an e.l.f. brow pencil. Essence eyebrow pencil. It's called Micro Precise Eyebrow Pencil in the light brown, too light brown. So with this, we're just doing strokes up like that. So now we will go in with a little bit of concealer, mostly just under the eye, just to brighten it a little. Okay, so I'm lining my lips in a Pillow Talk dupe. This is NYX in the color Natural, and I'm just going to line my lips. This actually looks very similar to this Soft Spoken. I think it's a little bit darker. You know what's also really similar is this Ulta color. Kylie Ulta. Next, I'm going to go into the center of the lips with this color Pale Pink, also by NYX. And I know it seems like I'm using a lot of colors, but that is exactly what it looks like. It looks like it's 3 or 4 different shades all layered, starting with like the lightest out to the darkest. I actually feel like I need more definition on my face. She has a white shadow here and here. From the Epilinks palette, and I'm actually going to use the lightest one. This Too Faced chocolate gold. And then there is a swipe of bronzer from this temple to this temple. But with this Sephora palette and this medium gold color, we just want to put that under the eyebrow. Guys, I think forget the Too Faced. This is too orange. It needs to be a neutral bronzer, so use a neutral bronzer. I'm going to shade my nose. We just need like a really expensive Louis Vuitton dress, and we're basically all set. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.